Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust gap limit in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is an advanced Bitcoin desktop wallet that gives you full control over address management, including something called the app gap limit. The gap limit is the number of the unused address Sparrow will scan ahead when looking for the transaction. Default is usually 20 addresses. If you have used many addresses outside Sparrow, for example from another wallet, you may need to increase the gap limit so missing transaction appear. So first you need to launch your Sparrow Wallet on your device and unlock to your wallet here, and after that in the top we could see there's a files here. Click onto this file and go to this setting here, and over here we could find this wallet. Over here you need to click onto this addresses here, and then you'll see the receive addresses or just change addresses. After you click into this addresses here, and you can generate more addresses. Go to the bottom or the receive list if you need more addresses beyond the default, and you can generate more addresses. This effective extend the gap limit. An important situation would be increased scanning. If you used many receive addresses in another wallet, you restored from the seed and missing funds. You used Harvard wallet before with many transactions and you switched from another wallet like Electrum, and do not generate thousands of addresses at once, and it slows wallet loading, makes scanning very slow, increases gradually. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.